Click to open by VIP. Select the VIP level that needs to be purchased. Click to copy USDT deposit address to transfer. Open the Binance Coin application. Click the wallets. Select the withdraw. Click USDT or enter USDT. Paste the wallet address of Top One application. Open Top One application to copy the amount of USDT that needs to be transferred. The amount of USDT posted and transferred. Click Withdrawal to confirm the transfer. Enter mobile phone verification code, email verification code. After the transfer is successful, click to view history. Screenshot of the proof of successful transfer, and write down the last 4 digits of TXID. Open the Top One application and fill in the last 4 digits of TXID. After filling in, click Submit Application. Click My. View and copy account ID. Open Contact Online Customer Service. Send the ID of the login account that needs to be upgraded. Click to send the transferred voucher. After sending, wait for online customer service review.